By the end of this video, you will have completely free access to Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3.5 Flash, Claude Opus 4.6, and Claude Sonnet 4.6. So stick around and I will show you exactly how you can get all of these models completely free and use them to vibe code your way into building your first app. To get started, we are going to go here in the URL search bar. We are going to type in Antigravity Google and we hit enter. And this is going to redirect us to the Google Antigravity official website. We're going to go here, click on download for Windows, and we are going to click download for x64. And we wait for it to download. It should take a few minutes, so I'm going to get back to you when it's downloaded. Now that it's done installing, we are going to double click on the file, and this is going to begin the installing procedure. So we just have to wait for it to load. And there we go. We now have Google Antigravity installed on our machine. And this is Google Antigravity. As you can see here, we have these models, 3.5 flash, 3.5 flash high, 3.5 flash low, and all of these. We also have Claude Sonnet and Claude Opus 4.6 in thinking mode, which is really awesome. And these tiers reset every week, so you don't have to worry about hitting any limits, and you can always log in using other Google accounts in case you run out of credits or tokens. Now, this does not look like any regular IDE that we are used to, like VS Code or Cursor, so we are going to go here, click Install IDE, and it will open up this page. We are going to go and click Download, and we are going to scroll down a little bit until we find Antigravity IDE, and then we are going to click download. Now, after that is done downloading as well, we are going to click here, and we are going to accept the agreement and click next. We're going to create the desktop icon. Make sure that Add to Path is also checked out, and we're going to click next, install. Now, right here, we are going to click on Finish. Now, I have used this IDE once before, so I am already logged in, as you can see, but you have to log in. Like, you have to go here and click sign in and use your Google account to sign in, and after that you should be able to do anything you need and start coding. So let me just open a folder. I'm going to just open one random folder, like here. I'm gonna call it test. We're going to select the folder, and yes, I trust the authors. We're going to go here to this one. We are going to go here to the agent, and we are going to, let's use Claude Opus just to show you that it actually works. I'm going to say, code me a simple sample weather app. And as you can see, Claude is working, and we should have files in our folder in a few minutes. And as you can see, our agent is done coding, so we can now just go to the folder and check out our website. We're going to click index here to open the HTML file. I'm going to open it in Google Chrome just for demonstration purposes. And yeah, this is the final product. As you can see, Claude took a few minutes and came up with this. And yeah, that's basically it. If you guys need any more tutorials, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.